were much happy to organize this Maharaj's Memorial Program, Swami Shivamanandaji's memory. First, I offer my respect to Swami Raghuvanandaji Maharaj, Secretary of the Madhava Krishna Mission Ashram, Swami Maheshwaranandaji Maharaj, Secretary of the Ramakrishna Mission, Sebastien Cartier, Swami Mahavidanandaji Maharaj, Ramakrishna Mission, President Swami Ramanandaji Maharaj, Principal of the Ramakrishna Mission Vidyamogi Cartier, and my beloved Sivanju Mujumdar, the Secretary of Ramakrishna Mission Vidyamogi Alumni Association, and Sirodu Kumar Das, Joint Secretary of the Ramakrishna Mission Vidyamogi Belmont, and the President Sannyasi, monks and brahmacharin and all the other guests and students. Today, my activities, my duties is to reminiscence of the Maharaj, Vihar Maharaj, the memories. Because I am